Receiving incoming transmission. Comlink established.
Hey, what's up, man? Got your refugees tucked in nice and tight. Provided you can sidestep any more surprises from our Confederate friends and we can keep them away from those critters, they should have an easy time.
Priority alert. Backwater station under attack by unknown alien organisms. Distress beacon activated at 0658. Alerting Confederate headquarters on Tarsonis. Stand by for incoming transmission.
We've already received the distress beacon from Backwater, and we'll take care of it. You just sit tight. You'll be notified if there's anything we think you need to know.
Damn. Listen, if we wait for Confederate reinforcements, that station's dust. I'll head out there now and do what I can. You send in some militia, and we'll save those folks. Trust me. Glad to see you, boys. Time to kick some serious butt. Anytime you're ready. Right on. Sounds fun.
SCP good to go, sir.
Commander.
I read you. Roger that. Reporting for duty. I read you.
Go ahead, Commander. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Anytime you're ready. Outstanding. Go, go, go. What the hell is that? Looks like the ground there is alive. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun.
SCP good to go, sir. Orders received.
Go ahead, Commander. This should be good. These things have been out here a while, but they could be pretty useful. Oh, yeah.
Thanks for the rescue. We've been holed up in these bunkers for days hiding from the Zerg. Reporting for duty. Orders received.
Standing by. This is Jimmy. Fired up.
SCP good to go,
Got my
sir.
attention. This is Jimmy. Want to turn up the heat.
Orders, Captain.
Jacked up and good to go. This is Jimmy.
Landing
SCP good to
sequence
go, sir.
interrupted. Your forces are under attack.
Fired up. Naturally. You've got it. Here.
Orders, Captain. I read you. SCP good to go,
Turn up the
sir.
heat. Oh, yeah.
Orders, Captain. Yes, sir.
Anytime you're ready. Give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go. Anytime you're ready. Oh, yeah.
SCP good to go, sir.
Sounds fun.
SCP good to go, sir.
Your forces are under
Roger
attack.
that. Orders, Captain.
Rainer here.
Not enough minerals.
Right on. Oh, yeah. Right on.
SCP good to go, sir.
This should be good.
SCP good to go, sir. I read you.
You want a piece of
Not
me,
enough
boy?
minerals.
This is Jimmy.
Orders, Captain.
Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun.
SCP good to go, sir.
Rainer here. Go ahead, Commander.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. Roger that. I read you. SCP good to go, sir.
This is Jimmy.
Reporting for duty.
Rainer here.
Yes, sir. I read you. Roger
Rainer
that.
here. Sounds fun. Right on. Sounds fun. Right on.
I read you. Right away, sir. Orders, Captain.
Rainer here.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Give me something to shoot. Go ahead, Commander. Want to turn up the heat? Piece of me, this is Jimmy. Right on. Give me something to shoot. Rainer here.
Not enough minerals.
Job finished.
This is Jimmy.
Not enough
Piece of me,
minerals.
boy.
Not enough minerals.
Anytime you're ready. Yes. Standing by. Fire it up. You've got it. You want a piece of me, boy?
Not enough minerals.
up the heat.
Anytime you're ready.
Want to turn up the heat.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Naturally.
You want a piece of me, boy? Give me something to shoot. Let's move. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Give me something to shoot. Standing by. Outstanding. This is Jimmy. Jacked up and good to go. Oh, yeah.
Orders received. I read you.
This is Jimmy. Freighter here.
Not enough minerals.
Right on. This should be good. Piece of me, boy. Right on.
You got my attention. Slamming.
Jacked up and good to go.
Want to turn up the heat.
Your forces are under attack.
This is Jimmy.
Slamming.
Piece of me, boy.
You got it. Slamming.
Freighter here.
Oh, yeah.
Right on.
Upgrade complete.
Go ahead, Commander.
Oh, yeah.
This should be good.
Fire it up. Yes.
Go ahead,
Want to
Commander.
turn up the heat. Commander.
You want a piece of me, boy?
You got my attention.
Anytime you're ready. Standing by.
You got my attention. Let's burn.
Go ahead, Commander.
Oh, yeah.
Go, go, go. Right on. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Outstanding.
Your forces are under
Go ahead,
attack.
Commander. Standing by. Give me something to shoot anytime you're ready. What the hell did they do to that command center? Whatever it is, it ain't
Not enough
natural.
minerals.
Burn it, boys. You want a piece of me, boy? Jacked up here to go. Give me something to shoot. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah. Let's move. This is Jimmy.
Research complete. Receiving incoming transmission.
Marshal Rayner, by destroying a vital Confederate installation, you and your men have violated standing colonial law. As of right now, you're all under arrest. I suggest you throw down your weapons and come peaceably.
Are you out here lying? If we hadn't burned that damn factory, this entire colony could have been overrun. Maybe if you hadn't taken your sweet time in getting here.
Now, I asked you nice the first time, boy. I didn't come here to talk with you. Now throw down them weapons.
Guess you wouldn't be a Confederate if you weren't a complete pain in the ass.
Hey, Sarge, why we always gotta listen to this shit for anyway?
'Cause I'm in charge, that's why.
Oh, it don't seem like no good kind of reason to me. Possibly anyway. Hey, what's that?
Hold on a minute, a second.
Swing roller! Looks like you mashed some poor feather's dog, Sarge.
It's a Zerglin, Lester. Smaller type of Zerg. They even be out this far unless... Oh, shit.